Yo, what is up, my old schoolers? This is Old School Artist. I'm here to show you a new technique today. It's called adding image behind text. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is just grab a text and type in anything you want. Well, let's just go ahead and type text. Then you can choose any character you like. Let's see. Let's choose one real quick. I know a thicker one. So here you go. This one's a bold one. Okay, the next step is just creating outlines on it, which you can either right click, create the outlines, or go up to text, drop down, create outlines. Either one is easy. Then after that, it's just pick any picture you like. I'm gonna pick one of my let's turn this into a different color. I'm gonna choose one of my illustrations that I did. Jason. You can enlarge it however you want, how big you want it to in the text, so where you want it to show. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and paste it of how many letters you have. So this one I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna paste it for 3 times. So you can either go up to object, copy and paste, or if you have a Mac, Command C and Command F to paste it in front, like in the same area. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna ungroup the text. So ungroup it, the same, right click and ungroup it, or go to object and ungroup it there. Okay, we're gonna select each letter individually and select the background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and select the T, hold down shift, and select the background too as well. We're gonna go ahead and right click and make a clipping mask, or you can go to object, clipping mask on the drop down and make one of those two. So right click, make clipping mask, and then after that try it to the next one, select the E, hold down shift, select the background, right click, make clipping mask, again with the X, hold down shift, background, right click, clipping mask, and so on. Now there you go. So you have an image inside the text, which is pretty cool. You can also add, you can highlight it all, and you can also add strokes to it. So it's not going to show up here, but you go to your swatches, and here in the stroke area you can add any color you want. So I can add red. You can go to your stroke and add the weight on it. So we can add a 3. So there you go. It's pretty easy. I mean, to add the text behind the inside the text, and then to undo it, it's the same process. It's just selecting the letter, right click and release clipping mask, and it'll release it, and you can add a new image into it however you want. But if you want to add multiple, remember that you have to select each letter and the background individually for you can make a clipping mask. You can use this not only on text but any objects that you like. So say, okay, I'm gonna go off topic with the text. So say you just want to do the face of Jason, right? Okay, it's the same thing. You have the object selected, and then you go ahead and select the background, right click, make a mask, and there you have it. So it's pretty cool. This is a pretty cool tool. I use it in my career, and I use it at my regular work too as well. Um, it's my daily life tool that I use a lot, and it's pretty cool. I mean, you can do so many things with it. But yeah, that's practically it. Just learning how to put text image inside a text, and it's pretty easy. Well, hope to see you guys next time. Remember to always like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button for you can know that my next video is uploaded. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great morning, have a great day, stay creative, and if you have any questions, you can always leave it down in the comments below. I will try to reply to everybody. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys.